Hi kids, today we are entering into our new chapter even and odd numbers. Before entering into this chapter, we have few numbers and we are going to arrange that numbers using this tamarind seeds. Okay, see here, what is the number? 1. It means I am keeping here only one seed. Then the second number is 2. So here 2 tamarind seeds. The next one is 3. Then 4. Then next 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next one is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then, so likewise, I'm going to arrange it to the total all numbers till 10. 6, 7. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then let's take 9. Right. So now our numbers are ready with tamarind seeds. See here now I want to tell you one point. So when there is a set of 2, we'll call it as pair. So a set of 2 things we call them as pair. Right. A set of 2 tamarind seeds, 1 pair. A set of 2 paint boxes. See here I have taken blue and blue. So these are two. It means it is one pair. Likewise, so we can take any of the things. So two similar things we call it as a pair. Two we are making as a pair. See now we are making pairs with this tamarind seeds. See first one tamarind seed. Can we make it pair? No, we cannot make it pair. Why? Because only one is there. The second one, we have 2. We can make it pair. 3. See, one pair we can make, but one is left. One is left. Right? So, we can't make complete pairs. Then next, 4. One pair, 2 pairs. Here also we made. But here, nothing left. So, we made pairs perfectly. Then the next one. So, we'll make it 2, 2. Here, again 1 left. So, here also we cannot make complete pairs. Then let's say 6. 2, 2, 2. See, if you observe here, nothing left. So, we can make it pair. Then 2, 2, 2, 1. Here in 7, again 1 left. So, here 7 we cannot make it as a complete pair. Then 8. Let's start making pairs. 2, 2, 2, 2. See here 4 pairs are formed. Nothing left. So, we can make it pairs completely. Then 9. 2, 2, 2, 2, 1 left. Here if you observe 1 left. It means we cannot make it pair completely. Then if you observe 10. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Then if you see here 5 pairs. See here we can make it as complete pairs. First if you observe numbers from 1 to 10. So 1 we cannot make it pair. 2 we can make. 3 we cannot make complete pairs. 4 we can make. 5 we cannot make. 6 we can make. 7, 9 we cannot make. 8, 10 we can make. It means the numbers which we can't make it into pairs. The numbers which we cannot make them into complete pairs. For example, here 3 tamarind seeds are there. So I have 2 kids. I have 2 kids. One is one boy and a girl. So I have 2 kids. If I want to share this 3 tamarind seeds among them, can I share it equally? One will be left over. So we cannot share. Such type of numbers which we cannot make it into complete pairs, we call them as odd numbers. Here what we cannot make it into complete pairs? 1 we cannot make. So 1 is an odd number. But 2 we can make it into a pair. 2 is not an odd number. Then 3 we cannot make it into a complete pair. So 3 is also an odd number. Then 5. 5 also 1 left. 5 is also an odd number. 7 is also an odd number. Then 9 is also an odd number. Right? Then the numbers which we can make into complete pairs. It means if I have 2 tamarind seeds and I have to share to 2 kids, I can give to one. I can give them, right? So if we can share them equally with two sets, or else we can make it into two sets, then we call that number as even number. Even. So where nothing left. After making pairs, nothing left means that is an even number. Here, by this chart, now tell me what are odd numbers and what are even numbers? Students, today our chapter is even and odd numbers. Now in our activity, we have seen that few numbers left without making into perfect pairs. That numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These numbers we call them as odd numbers. We call that numbers as odd numbers. And 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, it means 0 is nothing but 10, we did it. But 0, let me take 0 only, ones place digit. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 are even numbers. It means we can make them into perfect pairs without anything left over. See here, odd numbers and even numbers. So these are the numbers 1 to 10 or little bit smaller numbers, so we can take tamarind seeds and we made them into pairs. But if I gave you number 36, so what you will do? You will take 36 tamarind seeds and you will start pairing 2, 2, 2, 2 like that. It will take a lot of time. You will get answer, but it will take lot of time. So the same way, if you see the next number 141, if I ask you to tell me whether it is an even number or odd number, then what will you say? 141 tamarind seeds you will take and you will start pairing them. No, right? We can't do a long process, right? That is the reason you have to remember only this one digit numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are called odd numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 are called even numbers. Even numbers means pairing will be done. Nothing will left over. Odd numbers means one will be left. Okay, only one will be left. Right. See here 36. Now how to find out whether it is an even number or an odd number? Very simple, you have to find out the ones place digit. Here the ones place digit is 6. 6 is an even number or odd number? 6 is an even number. So the entire number 36 will be even only. You no need to check by making pairs. Then if you see the number 141, you will see ones place. Ones place digit is 1 here. 1 is an odd number. 1 is an odd number. So the entire 141 number will be odd. Likewise, let us see two more examples. 243. So we don't need to take 243 sticks or 243 tamarind seeds and to make it pairs. We simply see ones place digit. Ones place digit is 3. 3 is an odd number or even number? 3 is an odd number. So the entire 243 is odd number. And you should keep that in your mind. You have to check only ones place, not the tens place, not the middle place, or not anywhere. You have to check only ones place. If you see the next, we'll see the next bigger number. So 34,789. It's a very big number, right? So to find out whether it is an even or odd, which place we'll check? Only ones place. Very simple, ones place digit we will see. 9 it is. So 9 is an even or odd? 9 is an odd number. So the entire 34,789 is odd number. Right? Let's do an activity now. So to do this activity, you need to make an A4 sheet or a chart paper, whatever. It's here up to you. You have to make a table. Even you can make it decorated, the borders. And one column should be even numbers and one column should be odd numbers. To do this activity, if you have cards, you can take cards. And if you have this coins, plain coins, you can also take the coins. So to do this activity, first I will tell you, if you have cards, how you can play this game. So it's actually a game, it's not exact activity. So you can play with your neighbor students or friends, whomever you have. What you have to do, you have to take a random card, any one of the card, and see what is the number here? 4. So 4 is an even, so we'll place it in even. But this game, you have to put timer, 1 minute timer, and you should do that. So even numbers you have to place in even number column, odd numbers you have to place in odd number column. Let's see. 6 again an even number. 2 even, 2 even, 2 even, 8 even, 3 odd, 5 odd, 2 even, 7 odd, 6 even, 5 odd. It is 1, okay? So 1 is also an odd number. 10 even number. 9 odd number. 10 even. 8 even. 4 even. 6 even. 1 odd. 1 odd. Then 4 even, like that. So you have to put a timer, and you should take a collection of cards, and you can play with your neighbor students or friends. By this, whoever will place the correct numbers in correct columns, they will win at the end. Okay, so this is one type of game you can play. And the next is activity. What you have to do in this activity, you take these numbers. There will be 100 numbers. You can play, even few of the houses having this numbers, they'll play number games, right? So randomly you have to pick one of the number. See, can you see the number? So this number is 49. So 49. So let's see 49. So 49. 9 you have to check one's place. 9 is an odd number. So 49 is an odd number. So we'll place 49 in odd number column. And you will write that number in odd number Roman. Let's see. Let's take one more. See here. Can you see the number? This is 11, right? So 11 one's place number is 1. So 11 is also an odd number. We'll write 11 in odd number section. Then let's take one more number. See, I am taking it random. This number is 42. So 42, if you observe the first one's place, it is 2. Then it is an even number. So I have to write 42 in even number column. Likewise, you have to take nearly 10 coins. At least 10. You can do more if you want. But the minimum number is you have to take 10 coins. And with the 10 coins, you have to place whether it is an even or odd. If it is an even, you will write in even number, and you will keep that number in even number column. For example, I have taken one more number. 53 I got here, and I place here, and I will write the number. By this you will do, and the coins you will place on two sides. Then you have to take picture and send me. Okay? In this way you have to present your activity. This is the activity you have to do today. Nothing homework you have, only activity. Right, that's all for today, students. Thank you.